When I feel stressed about things that are going on in the world, I really come out to nature. The greenery balances my nervous system. I will find peace and bring nature and natural materials into my art process, because that somehow helps me process the damage that we've done to our planet, which is devastating. So you'll see in my art how I use nature to blend my lifestyle and my philosophy. I'm going to try these different shaped organic material over this piece that is a little dull, and I'm going to see if it creates some additional shapes that are more interesting than just the grasses. Not sure how it will turn out, but that's the beauty of jelly printing. You never know how it's going to turn out. And this is absolutely gorgeous. This is the jelly print that I made in the demo that I just did, and I used these eucalyptus leaves as masks. You can see how the paint affected it, but I'm going to show you some that I made that are not green but have this beautiful quality. I landed up using these rich warm colors and made these papers that I'm going to use in a piece. I'm not sure exactly how, but I'll be using them in a collage. And this piece, I first used a lot of rope on as a mask, which you can see there, and then I took the leaves and so these are layers. There's probably about 4 layers of jelly printing in there, and I really like doing a lot of layers because that creates this rich surface material that is very exciting to use in collages. So I'll show you how this one turns out.